Good day, everyone. Whenever a woman misses her period, the first thing that she thinks of is, am I pregnant? What do I need to do next? When do I consult a doctor? Is my baby going to be okay? In this video, I'm going to help clarify these doubts and give you information regarding how to confirm your pregnancy and what to do after that. I'm Dr. Padmaja V from Padmaja Clinic, Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, and I have 25 years of experience in this field of OB/GYN with special interest in good pregnancy care. Uh, when a woman who is having her periods very regularly misses her period, that means the period is delayed by 7 days, she can confirm the pregnancy in the privacy of the home by herself. It is very simple compared to what was being done previously. Now we have very good over the counter urine pregnancy kits that are available in almost all pharmacies. The lady needs to collect her first morning urine sample. Take a pipette, take 3 drops, open your pregnancy kit, and put in 3 drops in the well. Wait for a while, and if you can see 2 lines in this kit, it means you're most likely pregnant. The accuracy of this test is almost 95%. There are some people who are pregnant, but this test does not pick it up because most of the time it is because the test is not done properly or they have irregular periods. The basis of this test is that every pregnancy starts by sending a hormone called HCG into the mother's blood system. After the HCG hormone changes the mother's system to make her realize she is pregnant, the hormone is excreted in the urine. All through the day, we pass urine more number of times. Therefore, the HCG content in the urine is very less. But women most often do not wake up very frequently at night. Therefore, the hormone is concentrated in the urine, and the first morning sample has the highest concentration, and doing the test with that sample is the most accurate one. What to do after the test is positive? It is important that you take an appointment with the doctor, have an ultrasound scan to confirm the pregnancy, where it is located, how many are there, and make sure that it is not in the tube because that occurs extremely rarely and it is extremely dangerous. You need to consult a doctor early because if you were not already on prenatal vitamins, it is important that you start your vitamins. The test also has some fallacies. It happens most often is in women who have irregular periods. Usually, in women who are having regular periods, ovulation occurs around the 14th day of the period, and pregnancy is discovered 3 weeks after that. So, in women who are having highly irregular periods, we have absolutely no idea when their ovulation occurs. So, sometimes we might not be picking up the test as 3 weeks after the confirmation of pregnancy. So, if you have a strong suspicion that you're pregnant and your pregnancy test is negative and you have not had your period, it is always advisable to repeat the test after a week and then consult your doctor. I'll tell you a fun fact about the urine pregnancy test. When the test was first promoted by scientists, not many believed that you could diagnose pregnancy so easily. Therefore, they were given a sample and asked if it was coming from a person who's pregnant. The test came positive, and the scientist did say that the urine belongs to a pregnant lady. But then they were given the information that this urine was taken from a man, and there is no way a man can be pregnant. But later it was discovered that the scientists were right, the test was right, and the man had a testicular tumor which was producing the same hormone, and therefore his test was positive. So, men doing a pregnancy test and coming positive is not a fun fact, and it is an indication that they might be having a testicular tumor and they need an urgent checkup. The other use of the test is that in some pregnancies, there is a molar pregnancy. That means the tissue that is helping the baby to grow and becoming a part of the placenta, called the trophoblastic tissue, is present, but there is an abnormality and the baby does not grow. And this can be a dangerous condition where the HCG levels are very high. So this test is continuously done after removing the pregnancy till the test comes negative. Previously, we used to do urine dilutions and see when the test comes negative. Nowadays, that is not so much in vogue because we have very sensitive blood tests that give us the same information. To conclude, doing a urine pregnancy test in the privacy of your home is the easiest way to confirm pregnancy, and you can consult your doctor after that and take the required care for a healthy outcome. I hope this video was able to clarify and give you information. If you have any questions, do write them in the comment box and I will get back to you. Wishing you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy. Dr. Padmaja.